my prom. I've have to get ready. And Sissy better not screw this up. This is my opportunity to shine and show everyone that I'm better and show them up. Because everyone thinks that I'm just a pretty bird. Well, this time, I'm not just a pretty bird. I'm an amazing bird. What to wear? What to wear? Perfect. Perfect. Let me just prepare a little bit more. Perfect. Hello, sis. I heard you have a prom today. Listen, numbskull. You better stay away from me, stay away from my school, stay away from everything. Don't try and trick me. I'll get Dad to put you in a headlock so I can go to school and you'll be there all day. I have preschool. Listen, don't do anything. Sis, I know. We've always had a feud in the past, but come on. I know we've always, did stuff to each other, but your prom is very special. I wouldn't like you doing it. Whatever, I don't care. Just stay away from me, you twerp. Oh, and by the way, Sissy, get out of my room, twerp. We may be a family of birds. We're supposed to be in the same pack, but you make me want to leave this pack and never come back. Now leave. Now that my fur and feathers are flustered, I have to go calm them down again. Why doesn't she trust me? I know we've always did this in the past, but she doesn't have to be so mean. Ugh! Extra feathers. Snip, 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 snip. Ugh! This is too plain. I need something. Perfect. Perfect. Maybe I should change this to white. It'll match. I'll look so pretty, and Brandon will think I'm so hot. Brandon is gonna love this. He's gonna want to go with me every day. Crap. 8:30. I'm late. Honey, why are you crying? I tried to apologize to Sissy for being so mean before. She doesn't trust me. She kicked me down the stairs. Did you get hurt? I didn't hear anything, but I bet that hurt. It didn't hurt. My little wings saved me. That's good. Why doesn't she trust you? I don't know, Dad. I think it's because I'm the littlest. For now. I'm just gonna go up to my room. Okay. Oh, sister drama. Where is he? He should have been. Yay! There he is. Sup, babe? Oh, nothing much. It's just that the prom's today and... That's today? Yeah. I gotta go find a date. I am your date. I forgot. Right. Okay. Well, let's go dance, then. I don't think you're I am your date. All right, let's go. Look, Amanda, I'm really sorry for how I acted. This is your night, our night. You look like a princess, and you deserve to be treated like one. I'm sorry for my behavior. Please, if you're a princess, ride in the carriage with me, and we'll go to the prom together. Look behind you. You deserve to be treated like a princess. From your personality and your looks, you deserve to ride in one. So please, will you ride with me? Of course I will. Goodbye. We will be forever in this together. No matter what they say, whatever gets in our way. Oh, my dog. A carriage. Is that Amanda and Brandon? Oh my God. They're such a cute couple. I can't believe he bought that for her. Why didn't you buy that for me? Ow! Me and you under the stars, love in our hearts, never giving up on each other. Oh yeah, you are my favorite girl, and you're my favorite boy in the whole entire world. We'll be together all day, no matter what people say. No matter what people say. Hold up! When did you guys get together? Excuse me, we're trying to have a moment here. God, sorry. Hey, if they get to make out, why can't we? Make out? Excuse me. To be honest, you forced me into this date. I don't care, baby. Who cares about them? It's me and you. Together forever, love for always. You really made me very happy. Thank you. It was my pleasure. You are a princess. And I'm the prince. Come on, let's go to the dance. Hey, it looks like it's time to slow dance. Yeah. Would you dance with me, Princess Amanda? I sure would. Prince Brandon. Our love will be forever, never ever ending. Me and you will stick together. Me and you for sure, for sure. You and me will always believe in loving true. Me and you never give up, 'cause it's all about us. This night has been me and you. Never give up. It's so true. Thank you for this wonderful night, Brandon. You're the best boyfriend ever. I really enjoyed this night. Thank you. Yeah. I gotta leave. What? The night is just starting. I know. I gotta go. My girlfriend's waiting outside. Girlfriend? Yeah, you know. Just because we're going to prom doesn't mean we're dating. What? I thought you liked me. I do. We're dating also. I have to go break up with her. You were dating two at the same time? Yeah. That's so wrong. How is it wrong? I like two girls. How is that? Oh no. Two girls? He's my man, woman. You can have him. I don't want to date a cheater. Well, ladies, can't we just agree to disagree? No, I'm leaving. I dressed up for nothing. You can go ahead and go to prom with her. She doesn't go to my school and she already had her prom. Who cares? It's your fault anyways. Yeah, your fault. But ladies, please, I can't be the one with no date. You can date me, hot stuff. No. Please. Which one's cuter? Come on back. Please wait. I'm sorry. It was wrong to date two girls, but I know that you're the one I want to be with. Is it just because I'm dressed like this? I try to make an effort for you, but you don't pay an effort back. First you act like a jerk, then you act like the most romantic person on earth, and then finally you go back to jerk mode status, and you bring in that other girl. Hey, you. Ow, I'm so sorry. And then you push a lady over. I'm out of here. Have your lame old girlfriend over there. Please, stop. I didn't know I was going to break up with you anyways. Too bad. I already text messaged you the dates. What? I'm breaking up with... God damn it. What girl? She's hotter. Her personality. I can't have either. Mommy. Sissy, why are you crying? He was cheating on me all along. And why do you care? You're just a stuck-up sister. Sis, you can call me a lot of names, but I always have your back. There actually was live cameras from that prom. And I saw what he did. That wasn't very nice. He was taking me by your looks anyways. So, I got me and my friends to dish up a little surprise while he was going home. Really? What was it? Let's just go see. I can't believe that I got dumped by both... What? Oh, God. What is this stuff? Vinegar? Ew! How did she know I hate vinegar? Ow! Oh, it stinks! Oh my God! Ugh. Oh my God! Will he be all right? It's just the beginning. Keep watching. Oh God! What's that? Oh my God! Ew! Gross! That's hilarious. He gets his just deserves. Yeah, I just want you to know, sis, that I'm here for you. You are? I always thought you liked to prank me because you didn't like me. No, sis, I love you. Can we please be friends again? Of course, sis. For now, let's do our own party. Let's party. Let's have a dance battle. Me first. Swag. Take your swaggy butt out of here. Watch me. I love you, sis. I love you too. I knew they'd get back together one day. Well, there's something we have to tell you guys. It's the end of season 1. We have a ton of other series on our channel, so we can't continue with every single one. So that's why our season will be cut down probably into 3 or 4 episodes. So if you're going to ask, that's why. See you next time by the Birds of Paradise.